So my wife has a bunch of houseplants and they need a home. She's got them all over the house. She's got them here next to my wooden ducks. She's got them in my favorite chair. Yup, even here. So I've decided to build a plant stand. I have a bunch of junk all over the place in the barn, in my garage, a bunch of old paint. And so I'm going to attempt to build my wife a plant stand for all of her plants and go in front of the window that is sturdy enough to hold them all out of junk. When we moved into this house, we got this whole shed full of goodies. We got some bricks over there. We got a whole bunch of different types of trim pieces, some scrap pieces of drywall, and then I don't know what these are, but these are gonna be the frame for the plant stand. They're about the perfect size. I think 2x4 will be just too much. It doesn't need to be that solid. And these are like 1x or like 1x1s. And so I think they're gonna work pretty good for the frame of what I'm trying to do here.
We can use 42.
That one looks chubbier. That's fatter than the ones we got down there, I think. Yeah, the other ones down there are flatter. See if we can find the flatter ones.
Oh, I think I see one, but
these boards here were used. They would take these and they would put the slats on the 2x4s or whatever they had for their framing, and then they would cover that with like a mud type mixture. And that would consist of their walls. They used to do it in like old farmhouses and stuff like that. So I think these are slats, but they're gonna work awesome. But I'm gonna use these for the slats that go on my plant stand. Sometimes the bottom of the pots of the plant will get some condensation or some moisture, especially when you water them a little bit too much and it soaks through the soil. And I don't want anything where the water's gonna get trapped underneath of them. So I want it to be able to have a little bit of water come out if it needs to, or breathe and have a little bit of air flow underneath of them. And also the top ones, they're gonna need to have a little bit of light shine through so the bottom ones can receive light too. So if I space these out on my plant stand, like boom, 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 they're gonna work pretty excellent for that. The real problem with these and messing with used wood is that they all have these little nails in them. So I have to go through every single board, remove these nails, clean all the rat and bat crap off before I can stain them, before I can use them. So you save money, but they definitely cost you in labor and time. I think this should be enough for now, so let's get busy. Just go through here, find a nail, just pull it out. We'll put them in a pile right there. And then you just take this wire brush and just get all this dirt off of it as best as you can. Just gotta get that one spot underneath of it, underneath the nail there. I catch the head with it. I'm gonna go up with it. Now that I got the head, now pull it out. There you go. All this paint was in here from when we bought the house. So I don't know how old it is, but I've already went through it once and got rid of some old junk. But I think for the most part, the rest is pretty good. So I found this interior latex semi-gloss. It's white. I think it's gonna work. It's underneath. Just kick it underneath here. That didn't work. So when we drip, it doesn't stay on the concrete floor. There, stop. Okay, that's good.
This is actually kind of fun.
Never stay long, girl, you won't.
I started with an idea, and then the idea changed, and then it changed again.
That monkey, that funky, chunky little monkey, tiny body dude. Hey, 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 have a Henry hug a monster day.
And the final product from junk. Ta-da! See how she looks with some plants on it.